Hello guys, one of our student, her pass out year is 2026. So she got a job here. So let us listen her experience, her journey of before starting her completing her college only, she got a job. Let's listen to her stories and let's get inspired from her.
So I am Rigangana Sharkar. I am currently an 8th semester student at MCKV Institute of Engineering. So I joined QSpiders over here few days back. So after joining QSpiders, I really got to know that how many things I really don't know and how many concepts are there that are really required to be clear. So, sir took SQL classes, and now I am having ongoing Java and SQL classes. So, in both the classes, I learned so many new concepts. And one more thing I would like to mention that here only sitting in QSpiders premises, I gave that job interview. So, the role was basically they provided two trainee roles. One is the programming intern, and second one is the development intern. So development basically included the AIML development or Java development, and programming is basic programming language skills. So when I gave the interview, I was asked several questions on basically on Java, on SQL, on normalization, on databases, and which concepts that has cleared 2-3 days back only. So it helped me a lot to answer. And here also, ma'am cooperated with me. Ma'am literally left the room so that I can give the interview for about 1 hour. And that was my interview experience. Questions was asked from Node.js, from Express.js, from basic concepts of Java, SQL, and such things like networking, oops, all these things. And so it really helped me a lot, and now I'm placed in the company. So this is all about, and I'm really thankful to QSpiders for all my achievements. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.